All right, guys. So it is June 26th, which is Wednesday. So this is probably the last trade I'm gonna take this week. But as you can see, this week we had a pretty nice run. Let's see where let's zoom out a little bit, and you can see. Let me see the entry price. The entry price is for the week. It is down here. All right, let me back this up so you're not confused. All right, make one. All right. So let me just draw this clear. So the entry price was down here at the opening price was 38,535. And let's see how much did it actually go up. And then I will go up the correlation as well. Where is my handy dandy? And let's look. It went all the way up about 261 ticks before it retraced. And if you look, if we use the fib, it's actually going according to fib. So if I keep this here and then we'll check tomorrow to see if it actually touches the 38.20 or if it keeps or in retrace comes up and then continues back down for the rest of the week. But as you can see yesterday, like I said on a previous correlation video with the DJIA, you probably didn't watch it because it probably didn't say nothing about how much money you're going to make in a certain amount of minutes, but it actually helps with the trading strategy if you go in line and follow up. Check that video up top. All right, so if you see yesterday, it closed out below this price right here, right? So on Monday, it was 39,413. All this week, it was going up. If you can see, boom, continue high prices, and then yesterday closed below. And as you can see, if we go all the way over here, what's happening right now in this session? All right, it went up a little bit more, but all week it went in correlation. See, boom, started on Thursday, Friday, Monday, all right, all week. Now look, it closed below, and look where we're doing. Boom, coming down, probably going to retrace. I don't know for a fact if it's going to retrace, but again, like I said, the strategy again is don't look at the charts until 1900. And if we go slow, let's go slow. Let's go slow right here. And let's just erase this. All right, so you can spot what I'm talking about. And this is on the 10-minute chart. You can do 15-minute chart as well if you want to. It works just as fine on that one too. Some days you just miss opportunities. All right. So this is the yesterday, the day prior highs and lows. All right, you can see 1900. We're looking at the charts now. We marked off yesterday's high, the previous day highs and lows. All right, let's move to the next candle. Nothing. Like I say, it's a game of patience. It's 7:30, 19:30. Still nothing. So we've been here about 40 minutes. Still nothing. All right, as you can see, here's my candle. Broke above the 20 EMA. This is one of my lows. We just need another one. And nothing right here. All right. So this null and voids that one. All right. All right. Here we go. Here's my next green one. If we get another one, all right, boom. This is where we're going to jump in the sell. Here we go. And let's do 20 and 20. 20 ticks. 20, 20. And let's put what you call it up here. Stop loss down here. All right, let's make it even. All right, let's make it. It's fine right there. All right. So y'all get the gist of it. All right. Boom. Boom. So you can see we jumped in at 820. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 820. At 830, we got a little movement. And 840 was out. So about 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes, we was in and out the trade. All right. And you can see right here, about 500 pips. 500, I'm sorry, pips. 500 bucks right there. All right, and you can see, boom, it continue on up. And so if you're going to trade the New York session, what you got to do is you got to come off and mark off this, since it's Wednesday, all right, the middle of the week, you want to come back, you want to do a retracement, because you can see eventually what's going to happen. Oh, let's get rid of this one. Eventually, what's going to happen? It's going to retrace. All right. The reason I say I'm thinking it's going to retrace it because here, price closed below the previous candle. All right. And it's correlated. All right. So right here, if you looked and you want to trade the New York session, let's just pull up the New York session right here. Let's pull up the New York session. Let's make it the green so it's not so. All right. And look here. Well, this is London session. My apologies. As you can see, it broke below. This is not really, strong enough momentum for me. So what I did was blocked it off. And then you can see around 6 o'clock, it started to make its move down. Boom. Started to make its move down. All right. So what we're doing right here, now we have a little consolidation. All right. Have a little consolidation right here. Now, what you want to see is if you wanted to trade this down, if you believe that this is going to come down to the 38.20. All right. Place it right here. Jump in the trade down here and ride the momentum down. All right. But as far as myself, I'm moving on with the rest of my day. I'm not going to take too much of your time. All right. Again, correlation. As you can see, what's going to happen this day. All right. Potentially, if we're going to come this afternoon and see that the price was below the previous day price, we're going to continue to look for sales. Now, keep in mind, Wednesday tonight, going into Thursday, if we take a trade, will be the last day of the week we take a trade, because me personally, unless there's some big major news coming up, I like to go into my weekend in profit. So we're going to leave it at that. And again, if you have any questions about this strategy, comment down below. Let me know if you would like to do one-on-ones, like to do live trading with me, and comment down below if you've been back testing this strategy and let me know what you think, if I can do any tweaks to it or how's it working out for you. Other than that, y'all have a blessed day.